My people, they don't catch female kidnapper. Oh, but this is just the elevate for this country, no be small thing. This is the definition of what a man can do, a woman can do better. And now they don't increase. You understand? The last one now, which one? No be the one where you go kidnap boyfriend because you know marry her. Now we don't get another one. My people, things are getting wide. This woman just they pass with her evil intention. Now she see 3 children for that side. She carry load. I don't know who send her message. Now so she can't tell the children, say, come and help me now. Come and help. You know how all these matured women they behave. The way they want me to pity them. Now so the children, first of all, they don't even want greed do. Now so the woman come, they convince them. My people, these children don't even know when they even start, they follow this woman. They give one load, they give the other one load. 3 of them come, they help and they carry load. Now so they come, they waka. Thank God for one mechanic where they repair in car. Now so as they pass, the mechanic come they look say, something no dey right here. Now so the mechanic, you understand? They just use style, ask and say, how far now your children? You must say yes, so now my pikin. Now God just save these children. Now so one of them come shout say, no, she's not our mother. Hey, can't see problem. Now so soldier come. Now so this my people no be small matter. They come, they empty the woman bag, they look for, you understand, in case she don't carry. Now waiting say jazz, no they work. I don't bring una come una eye today. So for now we don't know how jazz they operate. I bet join me, make we watch the video.
Hello, sir.
No, she
Yes, sir.
Shotiri. No, Shotiri, you don't see him. Jazz is real, my people. Jazz is real, but you know if it work for everybody. Person like me, can't try it. Now you go even follow me. My people, they wonder how some women go fit kidnap their fellow woman pikin. Knowing say they be women, say they go through that same pain, say they know how that thing they be. I know they understand. No, me, I know, I never see it. This one, no. So level of wickedness where they happen nowadays. No be the one where you go sit down there, they wonder. My people, some people heart, is they strong. Nothing what you feel do, except if God just say, okay, time to change, don't come. How person go just be heartless? And this kind of thing, the part of this whole matter where they pay me, these kind of people, the day when you catch them, they go come, they do like say they be innocent, like say they never even kill one mosquito for their life. Their face go come change. I no fit fall for this thing, me. I no fit fall for it. Because the time when they carry people, children, you no think say you be innocent. I don't even go blame all these people. Parents, now. My problem dey with una every time. Every time. Stop teaching your children to help people when they don't know. Stop it. I want Yoruba. Respect go soon kill Yoruba people. Respect. Yoruba people sabi respect. Now that same thing go soon kill now. Make una no change. That thing now before it dey happen. Where if you see elder, where they come, you help her carry back. You do this one. You know give her things with left hand. You know do this one. My people, that was then. I bet if you be Yoruba, you dey watch me. I know they insult you. You understand? But I just because this matter they very very serious. 3 children now they for just miss. Stop teaching your children. See. Even people where they know self, they even still need to be careful not to talk of people where they know. Only in the name of greetings, respectful, this one. I'm not to say make you know they respectful. But look at the time we are in. You know the year stories where they happen everywhere. Your pikin go can't respect, can't die. So which one you prefer? I bet my pikin don't respect anybody if he go keep in life. Because I not just understand. See, wicked people, they everywhere. They everywhere. So make una no deceive una self. Right now, even your uncle, keep your eyes like this. No say, hey, it's my blood, it's my blood. If it's your water, uncle, No be fathers they rape their own daughters. Shine on her eye. Shine am the way they shine my own now. Shine am. It is very, very important. Even small thing we don't hear, they don't kidnap, they don't rape, they don't do this one, they don't waiting. And person now when I just watch, she get children, oh. You go even see themselves, they don't fat. Why? Because she dey get money. Now what do these people they do? They go just carry as many children where they fit carry, take them outside the country because people they where they go buy children, expensive money. They go give them money. These people go come back to Nigeria, buy car, buy houses. The next thing you go hear from their mouth, the Lord has done it. Which God? May that God kill you people there. The Lord has done it. You go say person pikin. Una no get conscience, una no get heart, and that thing they pay me as human being. They pay me. So now, some people now go start to talk. Hey, make you forgive her. She's an old woman, old bow. Which old? Now see, my people, these people are very strategic. Now why did they select all these old people so that you no go easily notice? You know, say if na young person carry these children, know how you go ask. Say where you see them, where they carry them go. You understand? So they go use all these people where you know go too dey easy for you to even think. They get sense. Now why una need to wake up? See. If you know say your child in school they far from your house, my sisters, my fellow sisters, because if you no fit go they pick your pikin, make sure say the school they close to your house. Not the one where they go waka from one long distance before they reach house, they don't meet 100 people, different people don't shake them, they don't give them something. You need to be very, very hey, I don't know why I just they emphasize on this particular thing. Very careful. Because you na go so hear another matter. Okay, imagine say this one now they no catch am. No, just imagine which matter I go consider here. They tell you say they don't kidnap the children, but at least thank God they catch them. They catch them. My people, things they go on. Things they go on. And I just imagine how many people this woman don't even succeed with. Before they catch am with these 3, imagine how many she don't go say. Imagine how many the operation don't dey successful. See, now they understand some kind of things. You see people where if you meet them for road, you talk to them, they do like say they no answer you. Let me say they no answer you because now sometimes say only answering somebody they don't carry you. Only answering they don't carry you. Now why people no like they help? Some people don't make it difficult for the system. So now, even if I be person wey like to dey help, are they nice? Now, not be say I don't dey wicked, but see, any small thing wey dey happen around me, I dey alert because I'm not just one here, one thing. Parents, Bia, if you be mama of these 3 children where they talk about now, you dey watch me. Now God just save this your life, oh, and I hope say after this one now, una go learn because me. Una no go even see me inside there, not talk of this one. My people no be smart, you know. Things they happen. So I beg. Now why I bring this matter come here? Now beg I dey beg una. They alert. Make sure so una always they watch on una children and teach them the right thing. Let them know that this period things are not the way it used to be. May they not collect anything from anybody hand because sometimes they go come and deceive them with sweets. Say, take this sweet, take this one. Now, why you supposed to provide for your pikin so that when you go outside, some things no go dey new to them. You understand? Hey, they very, very important. Meanwhile, no be the only matter where we get to my people. Hey, I know that wahala don't come out the drug addicts people. We like my people. This one they don't send load. They package load. Say, okay, my friend, they go abroad. Help me deliver this thing. Wahala dey. If una see how they package Igbo. Like Maggi no. You go, if you see this thing, you even you no go even ask say what is this. You don't already see na Maggi. That person they perfect, na expert. I beg. For una we no know how they wrap am. Una we no know how they even peel am. Una we never see Igbo with una eye before. I beg join me, make me watch the video.
Look at it.
Wonderful.
Can you imagine the extent people can go
Making money.
making money? So if you see somebody selling biscuits, driving jeep,
don't be deceived.
don't kill yourself over it because you don't know what they do. And this can just get the passenger into a very, very big trouble. And if you are caught in China, it's better you are even caught in Nigeria than be caught in China. Because it's a death sentence. Because you want to make money at the expense of others. Can you see?
Pour it on the table.
Yeah, I will.
Chineke. Some people they talented. Forget them. This one, I'm not sure say I've even called this one Indian hemp again. This one na Indian Maggi. Serious Indian Maggi. So person they will even get this kind of talent. Eweleke. Even Maggi company, no Maggi company. I'm not sure say they rap this thing. I'm not sure say they rap the Maggi reach this level. This person don't do clean work. See, una just dey there dey waste talent. Imagine this one. Imagine say if he put all this talent, all this gifts. Imagine say he put am into something wey go bring am money, something positive. Una know how much this guy go dey make. Una always dey carry una energy into the wrong things. That be the problem with Africans. Our energy, we always dey carry am into the wrong things. Una don't see white people dey behave like this. If white person just imagine something, now why they pass us? The gap too much. Because they think in the next 5 years, how will this thing what they do now, how it will benefit me? Una Africans, we just dey think of today and tomorrow. Pere, don't finish. Think ahead. This person now come up with this plan, wrap this thing. Assuming you sit down, this same energy, you would think, Africa, see, now only God go fit deliver us. Even this one where even they pay the Maggi, sorry, the Indian hemp, I even they suspect and join. Una sure say this one, una sure say you no know wetin dey sup. Because my question when this matter face reach me, I can't ask myself, say, okay, make we even assume say no be Maggi. How this guy can't know say I be one user and cook before? Maybe you don't try like you want. Some say they never even use and cook, or if you know say you get children, maybe say that day all of una go just dey misbehave for house anyhow. Maybe na so you find out too. We come outside, come dey announce. Abeg, make una dey very careful. All of una wey know say una like dey travel, dey help people, dey carry load. Na so you go soon carry problem for person very soon. You go reach airport. And funny enough, all these people wey una dey help, dey carry load, una no even know. When wahala burst, they go do like say they no even know una. They go even forget say na them even give you load, say make you carry. Whether you be my friend o, you be my sister o, you be my brother o, my friend, if I dey travel, you dey give me load. Now in front of you, I go open am. Because many cases don't happen. You know how many people they don't arrest. Make una sit down there. Make they watch me. They don't arrest many people. So if you know say you no wan fall inside this category, you see, open am. Bros, wetin dey here? Even if they don't wrap am with super glue, tell us say abeg open one sample. We go wrap am back. It dey very important. No go enter trouble all in the name of my friend. I do good. It go kill you. Person even tell me this thing one time. Now one man where they admire, I dey take her like my father. He always dey talk this thing. He say if you do good too much, say you go die on time. I no be lie. Nobody say make you dey wicked, but if you dey do good, use am with wisdom. You understand? Because some people now, they go just dey misuse opportunity where they get. It dey very, very important too. Now no say if I dey bring matter like this, I know wetin I dey talk. So my people, now the case be this way they happen now. But no worry, now for here you go still get the updates. Whether the person wey suppose receive the package receive am, abi they arrest am, abi wetin happen. Anyhow, now here you go still find out. Now why you need subscribe and click on that notification bell. Drop your comments. I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Share this video, very important. I'll see you guys later.